Now, a quick analysis for our pound pairs. We'll be looking at our euro to our pound, pound or euro, pound, New Zealand. Starting from our pound index, we would analyze it. On our index, we can see our trend. We are actually down on a downward trend, right? We are having lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we are actually falling, right? And guess what? We've added this our trend low, this trend line upward and down here. So once our price hits this trend line upward, we actually had a fall, which I predicted. I think if you watch my previous video, you will see where I predicted that we'll possibly be going bullish a little bit, then a fall. So we had it on the first day, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth day now. So for this week again, we are still on a downward trend on our pound. The reason is that we are still on a downward trend, right? This is a downward trend. We get it. We broke this our key level area here where our price has been reacting to. Also here our price has been reacting to. We can see also here price reacted to. So this was like a key level area here. I highlighted when I was doing my video analysis back then. So now we add this pullback, right? We saw this pullback testing this our previous um key level here where we've actually had this kind of a support area. Now we've actually had this pullback giving us a resistance level, and guess what? We are actually now on a fall again on our pound, by the way. So let us try and take out this our lowest point. I believe our pound will still be falling, by the way. So then when it actually falls again to touch this our area here, we will see a pullback again. That is exactly what we are aiming for. But one thing happened on Friday. Our pound actually fell, almost touching this our area here we've highlighted. Then we actually now see this bullish move. One thing I know is that our pound can possibly have that fall again and a bullish move again. So that is what I possibly be aiming for. So let's analyze it. By the way, let's analyze it. This is it. Our pound actually fell, right? Now we actually have this bullish move. I am waiting for another fall on my pound, a little bit of a fall on my pound to take out this ice. Our pound won't just start pushing up. No, it won't work like that. It will actually come take out this ice, this our liquidity area here you can see, then possibly continue going bullish move to hit this our key level area again. This is exactly how our price would possibly go. It's just like we are on an upward trend now on our pound, as we are seeing it, by the way. So our pound to push up, come down, there's this area, this our liquidity area, as this is another level here. We should be aiming for a pullback to end, to call for an end. Then we can actually now see a bullish move. So as we are seeing a pullback, our pair we are trading to our pound should actually be going bullish. And when we start going bullish on our pound index, then every pair we are trading to our pound should actually start falling. Now on our euro pound, by the way. So as we can see on our pound, we are aiming for a fall. Definitely on this our euro to our pound, we should be aiming for a bullish move. Do you see why? Because we are on an uptrend trend, by the way. We can see our price is actually hitting this key level here. You can see price touches this our key level here. Let me see if there's a good amount of price. Let's just see. Let's take it like that. So we would want our price to actually go bullish again to take out this our liquidity highs, or possibly hit this our uptrend here, as we can see here. So that is when our pound starts falling. We would be actually going bullish on our euro to hit this our trend line upward here. Then we'll possibly be seeing a fall again, as you can. That is if you are trading on if you know your upward trend move, by the way. So a bullish move and a retracement somehow. So when we add that bullish move, then we can actually now start seeing a fall on our euro to our pound. Now on our pound odd, by the way, we are aiming for a fall on our pound, right? Pound index. We are aiming for a fall on our pound index. So we should be seeing it reflecting on our pound odd. As we can highlight it as our resistance level, you can see here our price has actually been ranging for some days now. I think a month, going to 2-3 months now, our price is now ranging. So it has actually finally hit this our resistance area here, and we can see our price actually now ranging here. We can see this bullish move for this around this area here. So we would want our pound to fall again, as we are expecting it on our pound index. We should aim for our pound to fall to our odd, hit this low here, then a bullish move again on our pound odd. As you can see on our pound index, a fall, then a bullish move. Same thing on our pound odd, a fall, then a bullish move on our pound odd for the week. So our price would likely be ranging within this area here. So expect that, wait for that, have that in mind. Our price was be ranging within this area here. So a fall, a bullish move, a fall, a bullish move. So we will be seeing it for the week. Now on our pound New Zealand, as we can see, we've analyzed it. This is our let's say on our daily time frame, our price actually be hitting this our key area here, which is our resistance level. So I will be analyzing another key area here. As I will see, I'll take it as a key area here. Our price pushes up, it fell. You can see our key area here, our price push up, is actually ranging. So let's see if our pound, or let's take it here. I'll take this area here. I'll take this place as my support area here. So another thing is we are waiting for a fall on our pound. So when we see a fall on our pound, it's this our support we are aiming for. Then we will be aiming for a bullish move, a push up on our pound New Zealand. So a fall on our pound to our New Zealand, then a bullish move. Exactly what we are aiming for on our pound to our New Zealand. Notice one thing again is that this pair is very volatile. So I mean, we would possibly be getting that kind of a move, a huge fall, then a bullish move on our pound New Zealand. Now on our pound card, this our pound card is somehow like different from our what we will be predicting for. But let's see our pound continue to drop, by the way. It's this our trend line. I don't know why I can't really zoom it to take it higher up. So, but let's see. But anyway, our pound to fall. It's this our trend line support we've highlighted here as in fall. So our pound to our card fall. It's our trend line supports, then a bullish move again, as we are aiming for a fall on our pound index, then a bullish move. Same thing, we will be seeing it on our pound card, a fall on our pound to our card to hit this our how do I call it, this trend line support, then a push up on our pound card. And lastly, the same price, by the way, we will be aiming for. So I'll possibly want to be seeing a bullish move, then a fall on my pound Swiss franc. But if my price does not work that way, then let's see how it will go. But I personally will not be taking a trade on my pound Swiss franc, because there is every possibility our pound Swiss franc actually changes direction, goes up. We possibly might be seeing a bullish move on our pound to our Swiss franc. So that is my analysis, by the way. I will not tell you how to trade your pound Swiss franc, because I will not be taking the trade, and I will be staying away from this trade. So I will advise you to do the same. So that is my analysis for the week. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.